Shut up.
It's not. I want to put them on like World Star. World's cutest stars. Aww, world's sweetest dogs. Did I tell you how I thought she had no hair on her knees? Bruh, I looked at Valentine and it looked like he had no hair on his knees because the way he was sitting. And I was like, what the fuck, did somebody burn you or something? And I was like looking at I was looking at him and then I was like, oh.
Cornelius didn't grow hair under his neck.
Yeah, that's what he did it at first, but that's how you know that they're not babies anymore.
He still doesn't.
That's so weird.
He's bald. His whole neck is bald.
That's cute.
My friend, the top of her dog's head is bald, and he's hella old, right? Just the top right here. And I was like, you know why your dog is bald? She was like, because he's old. I was like, no, because you keep petting the top of his head. She's like, I do not. While she's petting it, I do not. And it was just so funny because, like, he's like completely bald, like shaved. One more.
Oh my god, Valentine's eyes sometimes shine red. Oh, really?
Green.
No, never mind.
Green.
It's just the color of his eyes right now. You need some Visine or some Valentine. Got dry eyes?
Dry eyes. Dry Visine.
They don't ever stop. Why won't you guys talk anymore? I have nothing to say.
She screamed at him.
He's all kicking her in the face. Pat, 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 pat. You have nothing to say? Nothing? You guys aren't talking at all? I wonder what means. Like your mom? And you act like your mom? You act like my mom. Do you act like your mom?
Because my mom does this.
Taught her all her moves. I was like, bruh, I'm gonna show you, watch. And I would be throwing them around. No, I'm just kidding. Just biting him. Maybe acting like that, I guess, but not on the booty.
That's so sad. What you did you? Show her a little bite, huh?
That was quick. And the gremlin attacks. She made him think she was done.
She goes crazy. Hella fast.
Valentine, careful. Oh my god, I know. I'd be doing that at nighttime. But like, no, he does that. I'd be doing that shit at nighttime trying to catch him and shit. Like, oh my god, you're gonna fall.
Man. Oh God, I don't even want to think about it because it's scary if I fall from this high.
Guys, don't fall. Don't trip, Tila. They got this.
I know they got this, but it's just scary.
Well, she's gonna probably come back up.
When my son was little and he used to walk, we used to walk in high spots, and he would want to stick his head through the rails. Oh my God, that would scare the shit out of me.
Oh yeah, I got my leg stuck in one time, and then they had to come with the fire department. Had to come, and they had to cut my foot or my leg out. And I don't know, I was hella scared, but that's why I got stuck, is because I was scared. They said if you would have just relaxed. Uh-huh.
I got stuck on the roof when I was like
yeah, right.
7 or 8 months pregnant with Maceo. We were decorating for no, I had to be like 5 months. We were decorating for Christmas, and I was like, oh, I want to go up there and help you. And my baby daddy was like, come on, babe, come up here. So I climb up there. We don't use a ladder because it's easy to get onto the roof. And so we go across. I climb up there, right? And he was like, okay, I'll be right back. And so he jumps down. And I was like, oh, I want to get down too. And he was like, okay, just hold on. I'm going to use the bathroom real quick and then I'm going to come back and get you and help you down. And I was like, okay. And I was like sitting up there and it got cold. So I was like, I really want to get down. So I go look. And when I started looking down, I was like, oh my God, how can I get down? Oh, and I had a grip that was like no other. And he came up there and he was trying to get me down. He was like, you need to relax and I can just help you down. I can get you down. I'll carry you. And I was like, no. Oh my God, I'm so scared. And I had to pee. Then I had to pee. And I was like, he was like, let go.
You only had to pee because he had to pee. Tila. No, just kidding.
Probably. But he was like, let go. And I'm like, no, I can't let go. Please don't let me go. And he's like, nah. He's like, if you don't let go, I'm going to let you go. I was like, you would let me go and just kill your son and me? What the fuck? I was so scared though. He was like, why did you climb up there if you were scared? I was like, I thought I could do it. I thought I could do it. It took him like an hour to get me down. He was like, do we have to call the fire department? I was like, fuck no. He's like, then come on. No. I'm cold. I was so scared. So scared. And then he had me to where like I was literally like this far away from the fucking washing machine, but I didn't know it was that far. He was like, you only got inches to go. I was like, you just saved me, so I let go. His mom was out there cracking up. She was like, oh, Bundiga, it's okay, oh, Bundiga. I'm gonna die.
His mom was on there cheering him on. She just came out of nowhere.
Wait,
this is the house or why did I think you were talking about the school?
Down the street. I don't know.
I don't know. I thought you were talking on top of a school.
No.
So you're on top of the house. So you're on top of the house?
Yeah.
And
we were decorating for Christmas on the hill.
Oh. Why'd I forget everything? Because I was imagining you getting down for this. And I was trying to imagine all the different routes you could have taken. I was like, was there a fire escape? Was there was there a ladder?
There was the washing machine and you just had to shimmy down.
There was only the washing machine.
The washing machine was inside of a
and you had to shimmy. You couldn't have jumped onto the washing machine. You couldn't have taken a rope down. You had to shimmy.
I was pregnant, so I had to shimmy.
So you had to get on the roof in the first place.
It looked like so much fun up there. My baby daddy was doing it, no problem. Like, just walking, saying stuff.
There's no tree next to you either?
No. Well, I mean, no, it's not next to me.
You didn't learn from your son Maceo and his experiences.
Well, I was pregnant. I was pregnant with him.
Oh wait! Oh dang it! Oh duh! Because how could you have been either one of them? How could you have?
Yeah.
Wow. So really, it's in his blood. Because when you were pregnant, you did the same thing. That's why he does it. Oh, so that's why he does it.
No, he likes heights.
Because why? You embedded it in his head when you were pregnant.
I don't like heights. I like to look at it from there and I go, oh, I want to look from there.
Yeah, well, I
get to a certain
next point.
I'm like,
that's your part.
I can't.
But you like heights too. So you know what? You embedded into him.
Like that.
Listen, you do if you could.
I just always want to see from that point, and when I get to that point, I'm scared shitless.
Yeah, but he's not.
Yeah.
That part. You understand what I'm saying?
He learns young.
From you because you did it when you were pregnant. You understand? This is a psychology analysis.
He likes the feel of the gravity.
You don't need to know what he likes. You liked it, and so you put it into his DNA when you were pregnant. Anything you think is probably written into the DNA of your baby.
Can you not do that? right?
I don't know. What, me or her?
Oh, well,
No, just kidding.
I just took over our fork that I wouldn't let her chew on, but I'm taking my hair down.
Oh, wow. Here we go, Ariel. I'm putting this shit on YouTube for a show.
Please don't. Please don't.
This is Ariel. Oh, she's a Disney princess.
Oh.